Hi, everyone. So I just wanted to go over your SeeSaw assignments for the day and what's due tomorrow and your math. I'm going to do it all in one video today. That way you don't have 5 videos to click. All right. So today you have your mountain of history. We read that today. So here's your main idea and details. You were supposed to finish the tree map we did in class, and you could just post that picture instead of filling this out if you wanted to, or you can fill out the thinking map here. So you can either post the picture right on top of this, or you can fill this one out. And then over here, don't forget to write 3 questions you have about the mountain of history. It says natural beauty there on accident. And then what is your connection or visualization you had while reading? Okay. So same thing that you did the other day. I'll probably go ahead and I'll fix that after. But the title is on there that's wrong, so I'll fix that. All right, and then here is your mountain of history comprehension check. So make sure you do that. You can use one of the markers to bubble in your answers, or you can circle it. Okay, it's only 2 pages this time. Here is your math. I want you to take a picture of your math boxes and your journal page and stick that right here. Here is the dollar store poster if you needed it. And then here is the home link page. Okay, you can always click do a page 3 if you want for the math boxes, or you can just have them side by side on the first one. Don't forget about your reading log. And again, sorry, I posted it late. I don't know what happened, but it is there now, and you do have the paper versions as well. Your Wednesday app log. And please make sure you all finish your Washington Monument STEM Challenge, hopefully by tomorrow, so we can share them. And the last most important thing, or last couple most important things, your personal narrative. It needs to be written on fancy paper by tomorrow so we can do our author's chair. So please make sure you do that. Make sure it's a really close-up picture so I can read that. And then your vocabulary charts are due tomorrow also, and you will have a vocabulary test tomorrow on SeeSaw. We practiced today with our games. Okay. Your apps today. Here's the slideshow. So you need to do extra math, Lexia, and make sure you do your reading log. You do not need to take pictures of this and put it on there. That was just for Wednesday. So go ahead and do that. And I also want you to think about your Genius Hour projects and start thinking about those questions that you have and making sure you have at least 4 questions answered by next week. Okay, and now I'm going to switch over to math right now and just kind of review what you did today. Okay. All right. So here's the first question. So it says Shanna buys 3 boxes of mini stock cars to share with her classmates. How many cars does she have altogether? And we got this information, the 10 cars, on that poster that was posted on the assignment on SeeSaw and on the slideshow and on the slideshow presentation for the math. So there's 10 cars in each package. So we drew the 3 packs and we drew little dots, or maybe some of you drew the actual cars for the car. So there's 10 in each box. Okay. Then your number model, there's the 3 boxes times the 10 cars. That equals the 30. Or you could do 10 plus 10. There's the second one. Plus 10 again. And that also equals 30. And then don't forget our units, our cars this time. Okay. So this is for the same type of problem, but this time we're dealing with how much money it is. Okay. So each box of these cars equals $4. So we drew a box and said $4, $4, $4 again. So we have 3 boxes times the $4. Okay. And then that's how we got that. And our unit is dollars this time. Okay. Down here, this one was a tricky one. You guys did this in breakouts today. So a teacher buys 1 package of value pack pens and 0 packages of chocolate scented pens. So that means I didn't buy any of those. Okay, how many pens does she buy in all? So this one, you don't even have to worry about that. Doesn't even matter. Okay, they're trying to trick you. This is the only one you need to worry about. 1 pack, and there's 10 pens in each package. So we drew the package and we drew the 10 pens. So you only have the 1 times the 10. You can do the 0 times the 6 if you want to, but you don't need to. Okay, and then how many pens does that equal? 1 times 10. And then our unit this time is pens. Okay. For math boxes, I had you cross out 2 problems today. because they're about games that we would usually play in the classroom. But since we're not in the classroom, we can't play them. So you can cross out number 3 and number 5. Okay. And you're only responsible for number 1, 2, and 4. So Austin read a book for 45 minutes on Monday and 25 minutes on Tuesday. How many more minutes did he read on Monday? So this is A, we talked about it, subtraction problem. Okay. This one, Molly has 2 tennis balls. One ball has a mass of about 57 grams. What is the mass of 2 tennis balls? So here's one. What's the second one? They're the exact same. And you're going to add those together. Okay. And then here, you're just going to solve these math facts. All right. Here's your home link. It's just like the stuff we just did. Okay. And we're going to be looking at this information. So it says a pack of brilliant color markers contains 5 markers, and each pack costs $2. Okay. So this says if you buy 6 packs, how many markers will you have? So I'm going to draw my 6 packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are going to go inside of each package? There's going to be 5 markers. So you can draw, I'm just going to draw 5 dots. 3, 4, 5 in each one. You can draw a line. You can be fancy and actually draw the markers. It is up to you. Okay, but it's important that you do draw the picture. Okay. All right, now let's do our number model. It doesn't ask you to do the number model, but I want you to over here because you can't find the answer without doing a number model. Okay, so how many packages? So we have 6 packs times how many markers equals, I don't know. In our unit this time, it looks like it is markers. Okay, down here. How much do 0 packs of brilliant color markers cost? Well, this time I have 0. So I'm not buying anything. Okay, so you can think about that. Okay, it's kind of like the one with the chocolate ones from the other page. Make up a number story to match the number sentence below. 1 times 5. Maybe you have 1 package with 5 markers inside, and that equals 5 markers. So that could work too. So have fun with that, and that's all you have to do for math today.